patients are airlifted to facilities in Phoenix and Flagstaff. But Dr. Hu and her colleagues are bracing for an overwhelming surge.
A civil authority has issued a civil emergency message for the following counties/areas. El Paso, TX, at 6:05 p.m. on APR 24th, 2020, effective until 7:05 p.m. Message from IPOSCAP. Be sure to use a face covering and practice social distancing when out in public. The seguridad de cobras la care like practical distanciamiento social cuando salgan público.
They make up only 5% of the state's population. The CARES Act granted $8 billion to stabilize tribal communities, but the more than 500 sovereign tribes had collectively asked for closer to $20 billion. The Navajo have been the worst affected, but other tribes are facing the same threat. In New Mexico, multiple native Pueblo communities are seeing